Good afternoon. It is March 17th, 2021. I did not see much today, so I'm looking forward to watching Mac's video because I just don't see. You know what? I'd probably mark this one as blue because I like these entries, but I just don't see much um, that you can take. And you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, this should probably be blue too. Get a nice double test. Whoops. I don't know. It's just a weird day. We had this FOMC meeting, and I think that's what caused these crazy spikes. Yeah, because at 11, that's when the market started going crazy. Pacific time, 11:30 Pacific time is when the meeting went down. So 11:30, yeah. So you see it's cooling off before the meeting, and then the meeting starts, and boom. People were saying they like what he was saying, so I don't know. That's probably what made the market stand out. And I only marked this, but there might be an entry right here. We'll take a look. But as you can see, it was kind of like a downward biased range day. We had these overnight highs here, and this I just marked this level to see why is this the bottom. And it turned out I think yesterday there was some support there, so that's why that was the bottom. Matter of fact, that might have been the overnight lows from 2 days ago, but well, I don't know. We'll see. And prices were in this downward trend that started yesterday at 7:38 a.m. So prices remained in that until half an hour before this FOMC meeting when they just rocketed out of that trend channel. Um, but yeah, let's take a look at what I saw. So this is the day. We have this downward movement. Like I said, we're still in this channel. Let's see. And then we form this range. But yeah, let me take a look. When you get this double top right here, that's a pretty bearish bar. And this is clearly a level of resistance. Um, and that's really only that's a third entry short, but look how far from the EMA that is. I don't know. You might look at trading that. So just gonna point that out. Then prices rocket down to this price level again. Some trap shorts, as you can see. Prices rocket back up. This is just crazy. Um, this is an 11-point range. And then we get this. And this is kind of, for me, this is like the confirmation of this resistance level. This is kind of like the first area where it forms that level. Actually, it gets formed right here, kind of, but this is what I was looking at as the first area, then the second area, third. So this is a first entry, but it's off that level of resistance, so you might take that. And then prices rocket down, come back up to the EMA, and rocket down again. Um, get that steep. I was looking at this. I drew the channel here, and for some reason, when I was analyzing this didn't look like a trap. But now that I'm looking at it, it definitely looks like a trap. You have all these trap longs here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that. Uh, and it's a breakout pullback. I personally I like these entries, but according to the system, they're aggressive. So I'll put a green arrow. It's a trap, and it's a breakout pullback. So anyway, prices come down to this level of support from yesterday. I think it's yesterday, 2 days ago, overnight highs maybe. Um, and they bounce. You get this channel up, um, and get a break. One leg up, two legs up. Looks like it makes uh third leg up maybe. One leg, two legs, three legs before it reverses. And then we get this kind of a range. Maybe the range is really just, yeah, it looks like it might just be the midline. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna look at. Oh, whoa, whoa. Huh. Hold on. Let's see. Not sure what happened there. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna delete this. I'm looking at it and I'm thinking that this is probably, I think prices were probably just responding to the midline here. Yeah, and the bottom of this range. So this is probably just a breakout. Um, Prices don't make it to the top of the range, come down to the bottom, and this huge leg up. So, I was thinking there's no way you could have traded this, but I don't know, maybe you look at this as, well, there is no way you could trade it according to Mac's system, but maybe people are looking at this as, uh, failure and trapped shorts. So, oh yeah, especially since, yeah, okay, something to think about. This massive leg up, no way you can get in there. Let me make these bars bigger. So we get that huge leg up. You get a pullback. It goes past the EMA, goes back into this trend channel, and there's just nothing. There's no way to enter any of this. It's very congested, and I'm very curious to see what Max says, because maybe he'll say something about entering on these. If maybe people might go short here, um, on this engulfing bar at the overnight highs. Okay, so this is the first entry of the day that I'm like, this is a great entry. I like these. You see this channel. You see prices bouncing off the top of this and the EMA, respecting the EMA. Then you get an overshoot. It leads to a break. You clearly have trapped longs here. Okay, I like these entries. And boom, it rockets on down. Bigger overshoot leads to a bigger break. Rockets back up. This is at the beginning of the FOMC meeting. No entries here. Pulls back to the EMA, and you get a double test. Okay, after this massive leg up, that's why I like it. It's off the EMA. I like it slightly bullish, slightly only. So it might be looked at as aggressive, but that takes us into 12 o'clock. And we were getting this downward movement, but then prices have been moving up. So that's what I saw today. Hopefully, Mac has some more trades marked so I can learn from that. But, anyways, have a good day.